So when I was a kid, I once watched an animation film where one certain question was asked about space exploration, which is the best way to travel from one point to another. As usual, my answer was draw a straight line between 2 points, and it can be the best way to travel between 2 points. But unfortunately, that wasn't the answer. But if you ask me the same question today, my answer would be way too different. That is more scientific thing, teleportation.
This is what I think teleportation is.
So if I specifically talk about teleportation here on Earth, it can happen in two ways. Either our whole body gets teleported or we clone ourselves. I think cloning is a practical choice for the people here on Earth, because real body will be safe at a place and its clone will be thinking itself real at another place. Teleportation actually works. We need to know what is quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics is actually the subatomic and atomic particles which are smaller than atoms. If we want to clone our body and transport it to another place, first we need to deconstruct our body and assemble it. To assemble our body back, the assembler needs to know the rotation of the electrons of each and every cells of our body. The rotation of the electrons can be either clockwise or anti-clockwise. If we get this amount of information of our body, of each and every electron's mass and position, we will be able to deconstruct our body at one position and assemble it at another position. But do you remember that I just now said deconstruct? Because quantum mechanics tells that you can't clone a body by teleportation. Quantum teleportation. Quantum mechanics doesn't allow us to clone our body at a different location until we deconstruct our original location. So if there are two places A and B, and I am standing at the position A, so if I want to get to a position B, first I need to be getting the deconstructor. Then my body will be scanned and each position of the cell and position of the electrons will be measured. And then that information will be sent to the position B. Then it will start assembling my body again. During that process, my body will deconstruct a position A. It will deconstruct my body as it will be violating the laws of quantum mechanics. So teleportation happens from one place to another. But it is not usually possible in human bodies because human bodies are in a constant change. Our body doesn't remain same at every second. Some minor changes, and in that process we loses all the information collected some time ago. So if I come back to the main question asked in the beginning of the video, yes, it was teleportation. And the main character of the animation film, from the planet Earth, he went light years far away on different planets similar to Earth with the help of teleportation. So if in case teleportation happens, I can travel from Earth to Mars to Earth within seconds.